Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to give a quick update on my growth portfolio. I also wanted to show you the buys, purchases that I made in the last week. Then I also wanted to show you a screenshot of my weekly friendly challenge with one of my subscribers whose name is Jeremy. And I asked a question about some spec stocks ideas in a previous video, and one of my subscribers whose name is Christopher put one in the comment section that maybe you could put in your watch list, right? So let's take a look together. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much. All right, so let's go right into the updates tab. And the very first one my very first purchase was $9 right into Google. As you know, I've been buying Google since the dip into the 140s. So the share price was at $146.62. I was gonna buy $10 yesterday, but I didn't get a chance. I was extremely busy at work yesterday, so I couldn't do it quickly. And then my next one was $5 into FNILX, which is my Fidelity index fund. I'm sorry about that. I'm losing my English, the little bit that I know. And then the share price was $17.80. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. I made a $5 purchase. I had to. I want to start growing this position. And the share price was at $170.86. And then I put $5 into Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Share price was $193.50. I think right now it's in the 180s. I want to buy a little bit more also on Tesla. Then my next one, my last one was $5 into VGT right here, which is Vanguard's Information Technology ETF. I really like this ETF, and I'm planning on holding for some time, then taking some profits, buy me some more SCHD so I can grow that position even faster. Hopefully the plan works. Share price was at $517.44. This one is very volatile, so if you are not able to hold whenever it goes down, I will say just don't buy it. It's same thing with Tesla, but VGT is safer since it holds a lot of stocks. It's an ETF, so that's why I invested in it. I feel much safer with VGT, and definitely one of my favorite ETFs. Then let's go right into the right, and as you can see right here, I bought my $10 of Apple on February 12th, which it was on Monday. So Jeremy, yes, I made my purchase. Share price was at $187.84. It purchased me 0.053 shares, amount $10. Settlement date is February 14, which is today, on Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to everyone also. I hope you enjoy it with your loved ones, of course. And then let's go right into my portfolio before we take a look at the stock that Christopher mentioned in the comment section. So these are my positions right here. Very, very small growth portfolio. As you can see, I have 11.5 shares of FNILX, 0.3 shares of VGT. I'm really trying to grow that position. I want to put more and more money into it. So I got to be a little bit more bullish into this portfolio, honestly. I really like the portfolio. And TSLA, I got 0.8 shares. I'm almost at 1 share of Tesla right here. Then Google, GOOGL, I'm at 0.4 shares. I invested $60, $59 pretty much into Google as of right now. And then Amazon, 0.1 shares. I have put $20 into this company. So I put another $5, so I have $25 into this company. Total market value for this portfolio is $629. I'm in the positive by almost 3.5% by $20. This one is starting right now, so I'm investing pretty much in an ETF index funds, and then some of the companies that I know and that I like, and that I do believe in the future are gonna be even bigger, right? Tesla is my only one that I will say it is the one that I feel the least safe, right? But I do believe in this company, and they don't just do cars. To me, they have data, and they're working on other things like robotics and things like that. So that's why I'm investing in it, and I'm planning on trying to hold long term. Hopefully, it goes down a little bit more. Maybe I could go a little bit more bullish into Tesla. So let's see. All right, so let's go right into the updates tab right here, and let's go down to the comment that Christopher put in the comment section in one of my previous videos. No problem, your channel is real and it's motivating for us newbies. The ticker symbol is IONQ. It's a brand new company, so their financials won't look the best, but if and when they become profitable and deliver a quantum processor, is potentially off to the moon. So that's good. Hopefully it does happen, right? And this is it right here. Ticker symbol is IONQ. Name of the company is IONQ Inc. I want to say it that way. The share price was at $10.54 as of yesterday, February 13, and then pre-market today on Valentine's Day is at $10.83. So it looks like it's gonna go up by 2.75% as of right now. Market cap for this company $2.16 billion. The earnings per share, it is in the negative as of right now. Since this is a spec stock, right? That's how Amazon started. That's how Tesla started, right? So definitely want to keep an eye on. 52-week range is a 52-week low of $4.38, and then 52-week high of $21.60. The analysts are calling this a buy right now. So we're going to take a look at the forecast also, but let's take a look at the financials. Actually, the earnings date is coming up in February 28th. So that's going to be a good one to keep an eye on. Maybe we can bring it up again in this channel and make a video real quick and check their earnings to see where they are at. Definitely. Financials right here, as you can see, we don't have the 2023 because I'm sure the last quarter of 2023 financials, they're gonna show them on February 28th. So it will be good to take a look at it in next month into this company. I'm gonna try to put it on my notes so I remember. Maybe I could take a look at it again, and maybe one we can follow in this channel, and hopefully will be a good profitable company, right? So revenue right now in 2019, $200,000, I would say, yes. And then in 2020 they didn't have any revenue. 2021, $2 million in revenue, and then in 2022, bam, $11.1 million in revenue. So they were making revenue in 2022. I would like to know 2023. That would definitely be nice to know. Shares outstanding, as you can see, they are issuing shares. In 2019 they started with and this is okay. All right, let's take a look at it again. 3.9 million shares in 2019, then 150 million shares in 2020, 137 million shares in 2021, and then 197 million shares in 2022. So people are buying this company. They're issuing shares, just like Tesla did and other companies did. So that will be good to see. Then the earnings per share, as you can see, in 2019 they were negative 2.24, but then in 2020 they went up to 0.13, then 0.777 in 2021, and then 0.25 in 2022. Free cash flow, let's take a look. So it is going in the negative, the free cash flow. As you can see right here, 2019 they were at $10.5 million. Then they went in the negative in 2021 to $35 million. And then in 2022, $56 million. So their free cash flow has been going in the negative. And then let's take a look at the debt. I'm sure they have some good debt or some nice size debt, right? Because they are a newer company, so they are gonna need debt to continue to grow. But as you can see right here, $684,000 in debt in 2019. Then they went up to $4.2 million in debt in 2020, and then now in 2022, $4 million in debt, pretty much. So they seem to be paying off debt, which is good. slowly, but they are doing that. This definitely would be a company I want to take a look at it actually after they announce earnings. I want to see and compare to 2023. That will be great. This company does not pay a dividend, as you can see right here. But let's take a look at the forecast that the analysts are calling this. So the analysts are calling this a consensus buy right now, and the lowest price that they have forecasted for the next 12 months is $12. So there's some upside to the price that is at right now. Is it undervalued? Let's do some research. Please leave me in the comment section. What do you think about this company? Anything that you know on it that you can let us know, definitely will be appreciated. Average for the price for this company in the next 12 months is $17, and then the high $21. So looking like a nice company that they're forecasting good, but of course, nobody can predict the future, guys. Don't just go by what the analysts are calling right here. Just always do your research. Take a look at it. Do your research. Please leave me in the comment section if you find any information in this company. I'll probably do a little bit of research. So thank you, Christopher. I'll do a little bit more research. I'm going to try to keep it in my notes to do another quick review maybe in March and see where this company is going, and maybe one, depending on how the earnings go, maybe one that would be good to add to the portfolio, maybe buy a couple shares and then just hold it for some time, and then maybe it'll go to the moon, right? So thank you so much, Christopher. I really, really appreciate the suggestion in the comment section, and I really appreciate your support also, and everyone's support. All right, everyone. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me in the comment section what have you been buying as a growth stock as of lately. I know some of you that are holding Meta are happy now that it's paying a dividend also. It's not much, but if you bought Meta some time ago, right, like a couple years ago, your dividend yield will be much higher, right? Like Mark Zuckerberg, who is gonna get paid, what is it, $500-700 million in dividends now a year from the shares that he holds. Wow, that's definitely great. I wish I could just get one of those quarterly payments. That's all I ask. That's all I would like to get. One of those quarterly payments. And I put all of that into SCHD and probably DGRO and just collect those dividends every quarter. You know how much in dividends you will get from SCHD and DGRO with just one quarterly payment from those $500-700 million that Mark Zuckerberg is going to get? Yes, a lot of money. All right, everyone. Please don't forget to leave me your opinions in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.